All right, so we're just gonna go to Sedona here real quick, pick out some gifts, and then Sedona, and then we're gonna be heading out. Is it. We got a half-day drive, and then we're stopping over in Las Vegas, New Mexico, staying at Walmart there. Then we have another half-day drive where we're going to end up in Garden City, Kansas, where Olive's mom is at. And then on Monday we have a halfway drive where we're going to Topeka, and we're going to try to get it scheduled so that Tuesday morning I can get the camper winterized, and then Tuesday after it's winterized in the morning we're home Tuesday night. That's the plan. So down to one camera. Also at the beginning of this trip I mentioned I was going to have to do something different with the brake cable, the emergency brake cable. It has somehow gotten cut on this last leg of the trip coming to Sedona. So we're going to have to stop at Flagstaff, and I'm going to have to replace that cable because that's actually a road hazard and there's no RV places right here. So I'm going to have to drive on the road with no brake cable. That makes me feel uncomfortable, but of course everything else is strapped down good. It shouldn't be a problem. Make sure you sweep off the top of your slide, especially if you were in a camp area that had pine trees and stuff, because there was a lot of garbage on the top of ours, and that would really mess stuff up if you don't go up and sweep it all off before you close that thing. So that's just an important thing to remember. Your slide, don't forget your TV antenna, regardless of what kind it is, make sure you have it put in its down or upright or forward, whatever position it needs to be in. Make sure your TV antenna is taken care of before you hit the road. We are gonna go here to the Maverik in Flagstaff because Tiana is extremely oddly sentimental, and she asked specifically that we get her a Snickers bar, but not just any Snickers bar, but from the Maverik here in Flagstaff. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna do that.
Sorry,
and
you bored me.
I bored you?
Yeah, I wanted to get the freaking mountain.
Get them out.
No one cares about what you're saying right now. No one.
We're gonna do that, and then
everybody can hear that. You don't have to scream it. Jeez.
And then we're gonna go to the RV place and get a cable, and then we're gonna go one last pass by Wicked AZ and get another White Monsoon blended coffee.
You done now?
I'm done now, but we're on our way out. All right, so we changed the order of things. I went to the camper place first because I took the wrong exit. We went to Wicked AZ next. Now we're going to go actually Maverik would be the next in sequence, then Jersey Mike. So this is partly fixing the solution. I changed the cable out with one of these guys that doesn't have to be wrapped around this mess. This is 6 foot long. You wouldn't want to get one any shorter than this. And then it hooks here. However, there should be a better place to hook this, because if this ever busted off, you're not going to have a trailer brake. But at least this is a step in the right direction compared to that garbage we had running through the chain that was just hooked onto this. Going to go get your crazy candy bar, Tiana. You got the candy bar, Robin?
I can't even climb up here.
Coco, come on. Lulu, come on. Lulu went to the bathroom. Coco didn't, but she peed on me. There you go, Tiana. One Snicker bar from Maverik. Yummy. Jersey Mike sandwich. It's a special Philly steak. It's like, I don't know, but it should be really good. That's really good. It's like a Philly steak Hawaiian something combo. It was like a 58 and 59 mix. long day. Kind of bittersweet. Really want to get home. Kind of wish things would have gone a little differently on this trip, a little smoother. Some sad memories, some happy times. It was a very emotional roller coaster ride of a adventure. And like I say, we do plan, we're going to go on another one soon, but not this long. So, you guys have a good night. Yes, I know, Robin. They could be watching it at any time of the day,